back Shop Wednesday. I'm back. Made it back. Back after a engraving class last week, which was fun and exciting, and back from Gainesville, Texas yesterday. Went with my dad. See some very special friends. Maybe y'all saw the post on the shotguns, and what an experience. What an opportunity. Something that I'll always cherish and always remember is be able to shoot with Mr. Brown and shoot that shotgun. It's a very actually a very famous documented shotgun that he had purchased from Wesley Richards, and it's in the Sporting Clays shooting. I don't know the name of the magazine. They did an article on it. It's awesome. It's way cool. That was fun. And I actually hit a few of them. That wasn't bad either. That was, of course, you have good instruction. It makes it a lot easier to go on. And Mr. Brown has certainly accomplished it, all of that. So, what a fun times. And we with Mr. Sampson's, David Sampson's in Gainesville, and Pop took some artwork, and we had a lovely evening with him and his wife Karen and friends. It was a great time. So, anyhow, I'm back at it. Back at the old bench. TCA bit number 1. Got gold in there. Got a little gold left to put up in here. And then we're gonna start the finishing process, stone finishing it all up. Here's the one that's there's the one that's all done. I haven't stoned it yet. I haven't got it all flushed. So these parts I have, but all of this I have not, and the whole thing needs to be stone finished. As you can tell, there's still some welding and things that go on. So get all that done. We'll get the finishing, we'll get the stoning done, all the scratches evened out, and then we'll finish up the engraving, and away we go. It's only 2 or 3 weeks left. No big deal. So all is well. What have I got? What have I got? I do have a spur workshop to announce in September. It's the middle of September, 12th through I don't know the dates. It's middle of September. We'll do a spur workshop, and that is not on the website yet, but be thinking about it. We're spreading the word. We will get it on the website soon, and so you can sign up, make your deposits, and away we go. We'll take 6, so make your deposits on there and have some fun. What else have I got? Patreon's rocking and rolling. Podcast, how about the podcast? Podcast's doing good, and thanks to everybody who's watching and downloading. Carrie texted me yesterday and said we were up over 2,000 downloads, so I don't know what that means. So that's cool. I mean, y'all finding entertainment out of it and learning who Carrie and I are and who our friends are and what we're going to do. We got some exciting guests coming up in the next couple of weeks, and so I think next week's will be just me and Carrie again, but then 2 weeks after that, I think we got guys going to join us, and I'm not sure who's in what order, but it's all going to be good and all that business. So anyhow, I appreciate y'all. Thanks for following along. If you got questions, holler, and we will see you soon. Adios.